To open an Absa Bank youth account, follow these simple steps. First, determine if you are eligible for the account, which is typically available to individuals between the ages of 16 and 25. Next, gather the required documents, including a valid form of identification, such as a passport or national ID, and proof of address. Then, visit the Absa Bank website or mobile app to download and complete the application form. Or visit a nearby Absa Bank branch to collect the form. Fill in the form accurately and sign it. After completing the form, submit it along with the required documents to the bank. You can do this by uploading them on the website or mobile app, or by handing them in at a branch. Once your application is approved, you will receive your account details and a debit card. You can then use your account to save, spend and manage your money. To get the most out of your youth account, make sure to regularly check your account balance and transaction history, either online or at an ATM. You can also set up alerts to notify you of any large or suspicious transactions. Additionally, take advantage of the educational resources and financial tools provided by Absa Bank to help you manage your money effectively and make informed financial decisions. By following these steps and using your account responsibly, you can enjoy the benefits of an Absa Bank youth account and set yourself up for long-term financial success. Remember to always keep your account details and PIN secure, and contact the bank immediately if you have any issues or concerns.